Hello and welcome to a short tutorial in systolic heart murmurs by MedSensio. To get started, let's play a clip and then go through the details. Let's have a closer look at a cardiac cycle. Here you can clearly see the S1 and S2, with what looks like either crescendo to crescendo or just a simple crescendo murmur following immediately after S1. This murmur was recorded from a patient with aortic stenosis. Typically, the murmur associated with aortic stenosis is described as a crescendo to crescendo murmur or diamond-shaped. However, what most clinicians experience is that in reality, findings are not as clean and simple as described in textbooks. When auscultating the heart, try to pay attention to the heart rate, rhythm regularity, presence of murmur, and potential murmur grade. Timing of murmur is also important as it can reveal where and how the murmur is occurring. Check out our other videos to learn more about heart and lung sounds.